Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. The major is right here. All right, so yesterday, the last video I uploaded on this channel, I promised you guys that I'll be dropping the settings for the boom 500 and crash 500 of the strategy. I've given the crash 1000 and boom 1000 setting for the strategy. So today I'll be showing you guys for the 500 crash 500 and the boom 500. So if you've not seen the settings for the crash 1000 and the boom 1000, kindly do so. Check the playlist to watch and know the settings for boom 1000 and crash 1000. So I've gotten so many good review about this strategy. A lot of people are making so much money from this strategy, using this strategy. And I mainly use this strategy mostly at night when maybe done trading the VIX market. Then I'll just use it to catch spikes on the boom and crash market. So I will advise you guys to do so. All right, but before you do it, you need to understand the market trend. Okay, when you understand the trend, it makes it very easy for you to know how or when it's gonna spike and how long it will spike. All right, sorry, I had a call. So how long it's gonna spike. So now I've also added an indicator to tell you to indicate if we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. I'll show you guys the settings of this strategy. Just be patient, watch this video to the end to see the settings for this strategy. All right, now please, I love seeing those likes. There's nothing you can really do for me right now. I know watching the video makes me happy. All right, but trust me, if this is about money we're making from YouTube, there's no money really from the YouTube that we are making from this YouTube. So if it was just about the money, I would have stopped uploading videos here. But I think it's mostly about we giving back to the community, seeing how to can assist the new traders. Okay, so the only thing you can really do for me is to smash that like button, bro. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop some good comments and share with friends. Okay, so please smash the like button. I'll give you 2 seconds. All right, thank you. So now the first you need to know about this strategy, you can see here openly that market got into this point. This is very clear. Good example, market got into this point, dropped down to this point, and there was a massive spike. This spike that we are seeing here, and it's giving us multiple spikes. It's giving us multiple spikes. It's giving us multiple spikes. Okay, I've added MA that will tell us if we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. All right, so that's it. You can see market drop today of a sold zone, and we had massive spike around the level 5 and 10. We had a massive spike, and also we have the indicator, this green indicator. It changes from red to green once it approaches this level. If it's still red, trust me, it will not spike. But once it changes from red to green around this zone, it's gonna spike if the trend is in your favor or in your direction. Okay, if you're in the direction of the trend, it will spike somewhere here. So you can see market touching this level 15, we had a massive spike, and we have the black indicator here, the RSI, around the level 5 and 10. Between level 5 and 10, we had those multiple spikes. Okay, so let's check again. The same thing right here. You see this spike, market dropped to the oversold zone again, the level 10, between 10 and 5. Then the Ichimoku, the green indicator here, dropped to the level 15, between 15 and 10. We had multiple spikes, guys. Look at that, multiple spikes every time market touches that zone. We also had another touch here on that zone, the level between level 15 and 10. All right, though the Ichimoku as well touched the zone. All right, you see that, and we had this massive spike. Okay, so this one here, I'm just short spikes, which I don't really like. So we have another one So if we backtest this stuff to the end, you see that market has been respecting this zone over and over. Okay, so look at this, the level between level 10 and 5, and we have the Ichimoku at the same level. Markets, we spiked, we had spikes. Okay, multiple spikes, bro, every time. Whenever market touches that zone, this strategy is amazing. You will love it. All right, and also join the free Telegram channel because you're going to see good results that will make you feel see a reason not to quit trading. Okay, a lot of people are quitting. They quit trading, forex because they feel it's not real. But when you join the free Telegram channel, you see a reason why you shouldn't quit trading. Okay, so look at this one again. Every time, bro. Every time, bro. The major is right here, guy. Spikes, multiple spikes, multiple spikes, multiple spikes, multiple spikes. Look at that, bro. Every time, bro. Every time, bro. Multiple spikes, bro. So this strategy is amazing. I love it. So I will show you guys the settings of this strategy. Okay. Or should I show you guys how to use this strategy to trade the crash 500? Okay, let's do that. On the crash 500, I love crash 500 so much. So you see, we just had the spike, though I don't really like the spike. And you can see here, the Ichimoku, this red indicator changed very close to this level and did not touch the line, the 85 zone level. Okay, did not touch the 85 level. Okay, but you see, when we have the both RSI and Ichimoku around this zone, you see multiple spikes, bro. Multiple spikes, multiple spikes, multiple spikes, multiple spikes, bro. Every time market touches this zone, it spikes. Multiple spikes, bro. All right, so now before going to start selling, like I said, I've added an indicator that will indicate the trend for you to make it easy for you. All right, so once you bring in that indicator, it tells you if you're in an uptrend or downtrend. So if you start catching spikes when you're in an uptrend, start catching spikes on boom when you're in an uptrend, you see you have multiple spikes. But if you are not in the direction of the spike, it could be just one spike or a very short spike, or sometimes it will take your money so much before spiking. Okay, so this is what you need to do. First of all, you have to move to your 30 minutes time frame. On your 30 minutes time frame, you want to see this MA. This is what I call MA, this blue indicator on the main chart. I will show you the settings. On the main chart, you want to see it below the current price. If you are in an uptrend, you want to see this MA below these candlesticks. You want to see it below the candlesticks. Once you see it below the candlestick, that means that you are in an uptrend. Market will keep on spiking over and over. Multiple spikes. You have multiple spikes. Look at when we had it. See all the spikes. All right. We have multiple spikes. We're in an uptrend that way. Okay. But if you see this MA above the current price, like what we have here, markets will be going down more. This is time for you to scalp. If you have a scalping strategy, this is time for you to scalp. So I will drop a scalping strategy pretty soon. I'm still working on this strategy on how to scalp with this strategy. I'll also let you guys know what my result is. Okay, so look at that. To be selling more. So if you have a strategy that scalps, you will make more money around this zone when the indicator is above, the blue indicator is above the current price. But when it's below the current price like that, it will be buying. The same thing when you're trading crash. When you're trading crash 500, crash 500. When you're trading crash 500, you see we have the MA above the price, above the candlesticks. That's why you see multiple spikes If we check on the 1 minute time frame, we'll be having multiple spikes. You look at that. We'll be having multiple spikes. Why? Because the MA is above the current price, the candlesticks. Markets will be going down more and more. Whenever it touches that zone, it spikes. Whenever it touches that zone, it spikes. So that is one thing you need to take note of. So I'll quickly show you guys the settings for this strategy now. If you did not like this video, please do so. I want to see like 100 likes already. 100 likes already, guys. 100 likes. Let's go. Now, here's the settings. First of all, we have the MA, the moving average. Period is 100. Take note, period is 100. Shift is 1. Method is smoothed. Applied to typical price. Okay, the color is blue. You can use any color of your choice. That's it. Then you go back again. You're adding the indicator window 1. So the first indicator you're bringing in will be relative strength index. The period is 10. For crash 500 and boom 500, the period is 10. It's not the same settings when trading the boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, the period is 10. Applied to median price. Levels here we have 90, we have 95, we have 10, we have 15, and the style, under style, look at the settings. We have period description 90, 95, 10, 15, 5, 85. Okay, forget about the 0 you're seeing there. All right, good. So we have 90, 95, 10, 15, 5, and 85. Click on done. The style, on that style, you can choose any color that will be visible on your chart, and that's it. Then we go back again. You're bringing in the last indicator, Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen is 7, Kijun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 62. Click and fill this place. Tenkan Sen should be the same color as your MT5 background and as your MT5 chart. Kijun Sen should be the same color as your MT5 chart. Chikun Span should be the same color. Up Kumo should be a different color. It should be, you can choose any color. I'm using red here, and down Kumo I'm using green. Okay, so those are the only style. On that style, those are the only indicator that should have color. Down Kumo and up Kumo. All right, you click on done. That's it, guys. As simple as that. Remember, you move to 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, you want to see the MA above the current price. This MA now tells you the direction or the trend in the market. Okay, it tells you the trend. If you're in a downtrend, the MA will be above the current price. But when we are in an uptrend, the MAs will be below the current price. It will be below the candlesticks. But whenever it's above the candlesticks like this, that means we're in a downtrend. Markets will be spiking more for crash. Okay, but if you're trading the boom, it will be going down more. So that means you'll be scalping more. You'll be looking for scalping opportunity. Okay, so that's it, guys. I believe if you don't understand this video, I believe you can watch this video more than one time. You'll be able to have good understanding. And if you don't, just chat me up. Okay, chat me up. You want to learn? If you want to learn my strategy, you want to be making at least $1,000 every day, send me a message. Let's make money, guys. The message is right here. Bye bye.